In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize credit card payments in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing your business finances or just trying to keep your personal accounts in order, QuickBooks offers a straightforward way to handle these transactions efficiently. Let's dive right in to ensure you're confident in using this powerful tool. First, begin by clicking on Sign In. As you navigate to the sign-in page, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. Enter your credentials and click Continue to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll need to go to the top of the page and find the New button. Click on it to explore a list of options designed to help you manage your finances seamlessly. From the list, select Pay Down Credit Card. This feature is specifically designed to help you track and categorize your credit card payments accurately. After clicking, you'll be prompted with the question, which credit card did you pay? Simply select the appropriate card from your list to ensure you're categorizing the payment correctly. With that done, it's time to choose your bank account. This step is crucial because you need to accurately reflect which bank you used to make this payment. If you haven't added your payee yet, you can do so now. This helps keep your records detailed and organized, making it easier to track who you've paid and when. Next, it's time to answer the question, how much did you pay? Enter the specific amount of your credit card payment to maintain accurate records. Once that's done, type in the amount and proceed to choose the date of the payment. Correct dates ensure that your financial reports reflect the accurate time frame of your transactions. Now respond to the question, what did you use to make this payment? Here you'll select the bank account used for the transaction. If you made the payment using a check, there's an option for that too. Click on I made a payment with a check if that's applicable. Once you've selected this option, remember to enter the check number. Capturing the check number can be particularly useful for future reference or audits. After completing all these steps, you're ready to save your work. Click on Save and Close to finalize the categorization of your credit card payment. And there you have it, you've successfully categorized a credit card payment in QuickBooks. With these steps, managing your finances becomes a lot simpler. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your financial management tasks. Remember, consistency in bookkeeping is key, and QuickBooks is here to make it easier for you. Until next time, happy accounting.